and welcome to another Top Table Gaming video. You're joined by me, Jay.
Me, Steve.
And we figured we were way overdue a catch-up, didn't we, buddy?
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been
to get together.
Far too long. We've been struggling to get together for a while because real life, you guys get it. And we've got a couple of things that we really want to just let you guys know that we've hinted at in the past that are kind of about to happen. So
yeah, so like Jay said, a couple of things we hinted at in previous videos, things that we were doing behind the scenes and we didn't want to talk too much about. We can sort of give you a little bit of an insight now into what they are. First things, quite minor, but sort of not so minor really. But the Facebook page is going to become a group.
Yes.
Jay's sorting out the group, so we're going to leave the page running for about a month because I know there's a lot of people who are following it and liking it or whatever. I'm not as clued up on social media as Jay is. But we're going to put a link in the group and on this video for you to like the group rather than the page, and then after a month we'll shut the page down. And what that means is that we can interact more as a group.
That's it. As a page, you can follow us and then you'll just see as we put content out or we make it through Top Table. But me and Steve would tend to put stuff out ourselves anyway. Yeah. And it didn't really give you guys a chance to kind of talk to each other more and create a community, and that's what we want to do, right?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. As well as that, probably the coolest thing that we're going to talk about today is we now have a dedicated studio for the channel, which is cool. I'll let Jay tell you a little bit more about it because he's the guy that's organised it.
So we have been hinting at in our last couple of videos that we've got some big stuff coming. This is something we've been working at. Yep. We've got a dedicated filming space, which is very exciting for us. It's going to enable us to stop filming in the kitchen with washing and cameras and lights, and the dog ruins so many clips. The dog ruins all my footage. Enable us to really take the content up to another level. What it also lets us do is invite you guys down, which Steve will touch on a bit more in a minute. But the good thing about the studio also is it's in a familiar location for a lot of you, which is Element Games in Stockport. It's not an area of Element Games you've seen, it's kind of in the back, behind closed doors. Yeah. It's in the same building as Element Games, and it's a really wicked space, which will update you on some hobby vlogs starting probably the back end of next week of what we're doing on it to make a finished product. But what's it going to let us do?
Well, basically, first and foremost, there's a bar on site at Element Games, which is cool. There's Element Games itself, the store, which is cool, and then we've got the gaming centre. So what that means is we've got access to plenty of gaming mats and terrains and things like that. Well, that's all just a side note, really. The studio for us is going to be a place where we can meet up, because it is a struggle to meet up in real life, but it's sort of a central location. We can meet up, we can film back reps, we can film all the videos that we want to film, but also you guys can come down. So if you're watching the videos of unboxings that Jay's doing, or games that I'm filming back reps and stuff, and you play those games and you want to get involved, or you just want someone to play against, you might not have any opponents that you can play. If you get in touch with myself or Jay, we can arrange to meet at Element Games and film some games in that environment. Have a pint afterwards, or a bit of food, whatever you want to do. But it just means that we can sort of interact with you guys a lot more and a lot easier.
Exactly. You'll all be welcome to come and play games, and it's a nice big space. We're going to have a dedicated table, dedicated cameras and lights, all rigged up. So the nonsense of you guys who film videos and know is gone, and we can just hang out, play some games, roll some dice and have fun, and hopefully out the back of it we'll be making better videos and more videos, which is what people watching are going to want. Yeah,
I think we're going to start filming straight away as soon as it's open, but a few of you will know that I'm going to start running a Hobbit, or soon to be Middle-earth SBG map campaign, like a monthly meet, and we all play and we travel around the map with our armies and fight each other. So the good thing about that is I'm going to base it at Element Games, which means that any battles that I have with my opponents, as long as they're happy with me doing so, we'll go into the studio and film that battle on camera, and it's a guaranteed bat rep for there. If I can't film mine, I will arrange for two of the other lads who are playing, and I'll film there and maybe commentate or something like that. But we're going to try a few different styles of filming bat reps for different systems and see what works well.
I've been busy learning new software and practicing multi-camera. I've got webcams and cameras all over my house right now.
#DiceCam.
#DiceCam. We've got all sorts kind of rigged up. I've just been showing the technophobe how it does work. But ultimately we'll be able to give you a lot more content, which is a win, and together with the new premises we'll be working a lot closer with Element Games to bring you guys some pretty cool stuff. So I think that's it.
Yeah, I think you just touched on the Element Game thing. I think they're sort of really getting behind us.
They are. They're really willing to support.
They've really helped Jay out so far. I'm looking forward to seeing what else we can do together. So just keep your eyes and ears peeled.
Absolutely. And that's pretty much it, guys. We had a rare occasion of being together, so we thought it'd be rude not to record an update for you guys. So, as always, like and subscribe, and happy gaming. Take care, guys.